Alright, video vlog check everybody, Azrael here. We are here sa Mid-Park Pine Towers in Asiana City. So watch this video, no? We're doing a tour. This new condo tapat ng Parkal. And I'm very excited na malaman na magkakaroon sila ng service residential apartment coming soon. Yung mga smaller units nila magawing parang hotel style. Okay dito. 10 units per floor. Sabi nila, it's much bigger yung kanilang mga units. So, ayan. If you're interested, comment down below. Refer namin kayo.
I'm here in Asiana City, visiting a new condo tower just in front of Parkal Mall. This is the Mid-Park Towers, a premium 4-tower residential condominium development developed by Asiana Residential Holdings Corporation, a subsidiary of DM Wenceslao and Associates Incorporated. Mid-Park Towers is designed around the 15-minute city concept, heavily prioritizing walkability, modern urban amenities, and direct access to major business and commercial hubs. Mid-Park Towers consists of 4 15-story towers with units with design layouts of studio units, 1-bedroom units, 2-bedroom units, and 3-bedroom units. They also have a shared amenities for all unit owners. There's an adult and children's swimming pool, fitness gym, library lounge and business areas, kids play area and game room, function rooms and lounge rooms for events, and they have their own city-managed security in Asiana with a 24-hour CCTV system and also security and monitoring for the 4 towers. If you are looking for a residential investment or planning to live in Parañaque City that is near to malls and business center, then I suggest you watch my vlog tour here on my YouTube. Alright, let's continue the tour.
Indoor play area, pang daycare.
So lahat nga may access card.
Gym. Wow, ang lamig ha. To be fair, but appointed gym. Laki ng gym ha.
Versus the extra number of years na sila
Ito yung private lounge, kami galing kanina.
Sisters mo ang brother mo.
Yes.
Private
For meeting, mga pang meeting
For
room to,
meeting,
meeting
yes,
rooms. Ah, nice ah.
So if you're a unit owner, you can, this is free of charge. So sasabihin mo lang sa PMO na you'll be using one of the rooms
So-
from this time to this time.
So ano to part ng ano, amenities din. Ang dami, ay, ang dami pala.
Ito naman po, pag may Zoom ka, Zoom
Ay, mga
ka,
Zoom, oo.
cubicle po, para mag-isa
Cubicle.
ka lang.
Libre din to for the unit
Yes.
owner. Oh, okay ah. Galing. This is so nice. May meeting room and also Zoom. Let's go inside. Check natin audio and acoustics na ito. No? So we are here sa Zoom room. Okay naman. Very quiet, no? Nakabukas pa nga na yung pintuan pero mamaya yan pag sinarado natin. It's very quiet. It is free, no? For unit owners. Dami kwarto rito.
Second floor na. Dito, ground floor, and then sa akin may first floor. Para wala ka malaktawan. First, second, third.
British style.
Yes. Tapos, doon na fourth floor, we're on the fifth floor, pero we also have units on the third floor and fifth floor. Starting on the sixth would be the typical unit types of studio up to the 12 million. Pero yung mga price
12
indicated po
million.
would not include discounts. Okay. Wala kang discounts na. We give outright discount. Basta sinabi mo sa amin, Steph, I need a one bedroom na may parking. I'll give you a computation, tapos may mga discounts na yun. So, there's around 25 million. That's without discount ha. Then, 3 bedroom, 117 to 120, mga nasa 35 to 40. It depends on the floor, it depends on the view.
So yung mga unit dito, starting price nila is around 9 million, 12 million, at pinakamagandang location or top floor nasa 25 million pesos. So may mga room sila na bare yung room, may mga room sila na semi-fully furnished. Okay, kahit pa tayo.
Smoking.
6th floor na kami eh. Ano tayo? Room tour na tayo. Finally. I think ito ata yung parang 12 million. Okay. Wow! Nice. They have a kitchen. The sink. May ref. Dining area. Living room na merong terrace. Doon, terrace oh. And this is the one bedroom. Uy, wow, ang ganda. Ang ganda. And, para saan yung bathroom nila? This is the cabinet. Let's go to the bathroom. Here's the bathroom. Nice. Walang bathtub. But may washing machine area. Nice. So this is the banyo. Banyo tour. Banyo na ako.
Mas malayo pa ako dati. I
I'm
used to
from
live in Fairview.
Araneta Avenue dati.
Araneta.
Yung bumaba ng hanggang second floor.
Yes.
Mga magkano yung unit dito? 12M.
40 square meters.
12M, 40 square meters.
For the brokers. Count.
15 million. 15 million, one bedroom.
That's 52 square
52
meters.
square meter.
Pag maganda po yung layout niya.
Oo,
And
maganda.
you want to have yung pang-investment
Oo.
na ito, kung gusto nyong pa-rent out,
Pa-rent out.
pag ikaw lang naman mag-isa,
Oo,
dalawa lang
usually
mag-isa,
pag dalawa,
pwede doon sa 52.
Oo.
Ganito, tapos pa-rent ko, around 40,000 a month. So, we have, kumaga, may mga naghahanap sa mga one bedroom, ganyan. So, ito, unit. Wala.
Let's go inside. kitchen, yung stove nila, refrigerator, and here's the room. Studio type to. Ayan. Ang mga solo, pang couples na very busy. This is your unit. There's the cabinet. And also may terrace view siya. The view is kabilang side building. Ayan. Luwag ah. And here's the banyo. Very simple lang. Nice. Ninth floor na. So we are here sa Pine Tower side. So parang Mid-Park Tower, mga 4 na tower sila. Ang laki ng kwarto nito, grabe.
Island. 2 bedroom.
2 bedrooms to?
2 bedroom.
Wow.
80 square.
Magkano kaya to?
20? Mga 20 million.
25? Oh, 25 million.
Sir, ilang square meter po yun, sir?
80 po.
80 square meter. Wow, grabe. It reminds me of yung room sa Discovery Suites eh. Oo nga, may pre-lace pa oh, pati ito. Parang ano, sa Discovery Suite, parang ganito. Laki eh. Bedroom number 1.
Utility area siya eh. So, pwede siyang storage, pwede siyang needs room, pwede siyang utility,
The banyo.
stock room din.
Ay, isa lang yung banyo nila.
This is 80 square meters. Bedroom. Start mga 20 ka na, 25. Pero that's without discount. Tapos ang local, as far as Pangasinan, Quezon City, meron Rockwell. Taga Rockwell, meron din dito.
Ito yung view dito sa isang kwarto. Anong view dyan?
Parkan.
Park. Ay, maganda dito. Well, city lights.
Kita yung MOA.
Oo, city lights. Pwede na.
That's Parkal.
Tapos yung sinasabi na transportation hub. Paano kayo
PITX
nakalimutan?
dito sa kabila
PITX.
yun. Ma'am, dito sa right side.
So, dito tayo sa isang master's bedroom, no? So, this is a 2-bedroom na worth 25 million pesos. Grabe. Napakaganda ng kwarto lang. Dalawa yung terrace nila. Dalawa rin yung banyo. Ka-focus ba? Pasok tayo dito. And the room is so nice. This is bedroom number 1.
So, pinakamalapit would be San Juan de Dios.
This is bedroom number 2. Ayan. Ganda. And they also have a 3-bedroom. So check natin kung ano kalaki yung 3-bedroom nila. 9B. Ah, bear na bear. So nasa 40 million na ba ito? Dapat 30 million. 35 plus million. So pwede kayo gumawa ng dance studio rito.
Ito yung mga bedrooms.
Bear lang siya. Oh, wow, grabe. Bedroom number 1. Ayan. Bedroom number 2. Wow. Ang studio talaga to. Creator house. Bedroom 3. Ito yung master's bedroom. And the toilet is here. So, cabinets, countertop, aircon, naka-fix na. And kayo nang bahala ano dito, mag-design. Yung kitchen area. Ito yung laundry. There's a dirty kitchen ba ito? Laundry. And extra bathroom. Meron pa silang dalawang bathroom sa loob.
Oh, dance studio.
So, this is the bear. Ay, may ilaw yung bubong niya. So, this is 35 to 40 M. Kasi, bakit ito yung view niya? Ito yung view. Yeah, this is the view. Ganda, grabe. Gusto ko mag-picture dito, di pa ako nakapicture. So, I'll end on my vlog here. So, ang extra natin. So, dito sa Mid Park Towers, no. Na-mention ko kasi kanina Pine Towers, so different towers pala to, no. So, Pine Towers yung nag-event kami. Parang mga mga apat na towers meron dito, no. So, yun, napanood nyo na, no. If you're interested, comment down below. Maghanap tayo ng broker para sa kasulti. Or just go to their Facebook page or website, inquire about their unit. Kasi mga 150 plus na yung naka-occupancy dito at meron pang bumili. So I guess pa kami mga 100 plus pang unit. So just prepare 9 million, 15 million, 25 million, or 40 million for those bigger units. So yung kita-kits and see you sa next video. Magkasarado na kami dito. Alright, bye-bye.